Hello guys, and how are you? So today guys we are here with this beautiful smartphone, the new arrival of V17, and today we are gonna be unboxing this beautiful smartphone. So let's begin with this video. So guys, as you can see here that the phone comes along in this crystal color bag in which it is packed, and right here it is written on the specification. The model name is Vivo 19 and the color is crystal sky, and right here there are these four things written. The specification that are written on the box is 48 megapixel AI quad camera, the ultra O screen, 32 megapixel front camera, and the super night mode. So we are be patient, and because we are gonna now explore the phone from the inside, that how real it is on the inside and what feature it provides and how sophisticated the look of this phone is. So let's begin and unbox this beautiful thing. So guys, we have unboxed this, and let me just take out the phone from the box, and you can see that how the classic view of the box is. And now let's see that the beast that is inside this box. Let me see what's this bag for and what is inside this bag, and let me just put this aside for. So here you get in this bag is the silicone bag for the protection of. This is kind of soft, so I would recommend the usage of this silicone bag. Let me just put this aside. Now this is the warranty card and the phone manual that come along with this SIM card tray opener. So let me just put this aside. Now what is it? So this is the USB charging cable, and as you can see here that it comes along with the C-type charging plug. So this is one another thing. We will get back to these things later. Now here is the phone that is lying inside. This is the super quality phone, that is the 2019 phone. Now let me just remove this wrapping from this phone so we can see that what's on the inside. This is kind of tough to do. It's really sticky here. So finally here we are, and just look at this beautiful smartphone with such a professional look of the camera, and the weight is really light and the grip is very firm on these smartphones. And another thing that let me tell you, this has the world's smallest punch here on the front. You can see the world's smallest front cam, and let me tell you guys that the chipset that with which the phone come along is the Snapdragon 675. It has an 8 gigabytes of RAM, and if I talk about the display size, so the display size is 6.44 inch display with a Super AMOLED 409 ppi of density that the screen has. Let me just turn this beautiful smartphone on. So as it turns on, let me just tell you about the other specification of the phone. So the phone comes along with a 256 gigabytes of memory. And now about the camera. So the front cam is 32 megapixel mini punch hole, the smallest front cam in the world that come along is installed on this device. So this is one of the very unique feature of the smartphone. As you can see here that the phone is now on. Moving on towards the rear cameras. So as you can see there are these beautiful rear cameras with a combination of 4 cameras. So a 48 megapixel camera with another 8 megapixel camera and two 2 megapixel cameras. So this phone is capable of recording a 4K video, so that you should also keep that in mind, that it can do 4K recording. So guys, beside that, if I talk about the fingerprint, so the phone come along with the in-screen fingerprint, as you can see, and it has a C-type charging cable plug in place with a speaker vent on the right side, and the headphone jack that is 3.5 headphone jack that is on the left side, and there is this place for mic on the left side of the phone. You can see the SIM card tray while there's nothing on the top except this noise cancelling mic. What is it? I don't know the really specific function for that. But on the right side we got this power button and the volume keys for increasing and decreasing the volume buttons are on the right side. So this is the front, and on the front you can see here this is the top speaker of the phone for receiving calls and all sorts of things. So beside that, the phone has a 4500 mAh battery, and it also comes along with a function of fast charging. So let's explore further that what's inside this box and how does the charger and the so yes, the charger is kind of a very larger in size. So as you can see here, it has a 18-watt charger. That is because it will work on 9 volt and 2 ampere, which power of 18 watt. Now let me just open up these hand-frees. So the hand-frees you can see here that are with a very classic style here. I'm gonna recommend these hand-frees to you because of the very beautiful design that it comes along with. So let me just put these things back. This was the unboxing from us for today of this smartphone. In future we are going to be doing some quick comparison of this phone with other smartphones. Those are in the market right now, and we are going to be doing some speed test of this smartphones with other phones. So guys, keep watching this our channel and keep watching our video, and also drop us below a comment that what you think of this smartphone. Thank you guys for watching this video, and thank you for your support.